What's up, guys? Happy Friday. This is the Transformer Gundam, and I figured I would make another video out and about. So, yeah, pretty exciting things happening. I actually just got out of a job interview, and then I figured I'd go run a few errands. So, one thing I figured I'd show off real fast is that I actually picked up some new running shoes. So if you don't know, I do really enjoy running, and I did badly need some new shoes. So what I got here are the Saucony Guide 14s. Now, I absolutely love these Saucony Guide series. I've been using these since the Guide 5s, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, these are great shoes. So yeah, if you're looking for a good pair of running shoes with good support, definitely check out these Sauconys. Yeah, these are awesome. But that's not what you guys care about. So where I'm at right now, well, I'm actually just stopped in front of Hobby Lobby. I'm actually here to pick up some more primer for my project that I'm working on, because I'm actually running really low on primer. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me. You go get up some primer, and then of course also go check out the model kit section, see if they got anything new Gunpla wise. And since there is a Target right down the street, figured I'd go check out Target and we'll see if they have anything new. So this should be fun. So yeah, guys, let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are at Hobby Lobby. Here we are inside. Let's go find the model kit section first. Should be somewhere around here. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we got some new kits there. We got, of course, they were by Rx78, but looks like the rumors are true. They got some of the Transformers model kits. So they got Starscream. Ooh, they got a good custom. That's pretty cool. They got Megatron up here. They got, of course, G1 Prime, which I actually got this kit in my backlog. See, taking out, look down here, we got some of the X-Wing. We got BB-8 R2-D2, another X-Wing fighter, AT-ST, Kylo Ren's Starfighter down there, or TIE Fighter. And we've got just a bunch of the classic planes and ships and cars over here. So yeah, not a bad selection actually. Oh, and check these things out. These are pretty cool. These are like little, like Gashapon little figurines, I guess. Or you actually, well, you're like mini model kits, I guess. I actually have the Rx78. Well, I did have it. But yeah, these are really cool. So we got the G fighter here. We got the gun tank and G fighter, gun tank. Yeah, looks like it's just G fighters and gun tanks. So yeah, these are cool as well. Check this out. Looks like they actually expanded their model kit section. So we got some more Transformers kits here. And let's see, anything else? We got Megatron, Crossbone, and another goof back here. So that's actually really cool. It looks like they've actually expanded a bit here. And here's what I'm actually here for, the Cryon paint and the primers down here. Alright, got my primer here. So let's go on to Target next. Alright, so stop one complete. That was actually pretty successful, and the primer was actually 30% off, so I actually only got this for like $5. So yeah, that's a really good price for this paint here. I've worked with Krylon before. It's not bad, you know, it's definitely not as good compared to like Mr. Color or Tamiya, or Tamiya, however you say it. But you know, it's what I can find locally, and it works, you know, pretty well. And yeah, I do like this primer. So for $5, you know, that was a great price. Now, they did have some pretty good model kits actually. You know, they had some of the Transformers ones. They had, of course, the revived Rx78, which is pretty common to find. But a kit I haven't seen in a while is the Goof Custom, and I was actually pretty tempted to pick it up, but I already have enough of a backlog as is, so I don't need to add another kit to my backlog. But if they did have the entry grade Rx78, I definitely would have picked that up, but unfortunately they didn't. I heard that they started to show up at Target as well, so maybe I can find it at Target, but that's a kit I've been wanting for a while. And just because I'm interested in the technology, because I've heard it's really good, and it's like completely all color separated. There's no stickers required, and it looks like an interesting kit, and it definitely looks like a fun kit to paint and customize. So my plan is to pick up a couple of the entry grade Rx78s and you know, just test out some color schemes on them. You know, I'm slowly getting back into painting. I haven't done like serious painting in a while. Of course, I'm working on my Shamrock Custom, but that's my first custom kit I've painted in a long time. So yeah, I figured those entry grades would be fun kits to paint, and you know, just slowly get back into that. So anyways, next up we're gonna head up to Target and we'll see if they have anything. My guess is, based off the last couple times I've been to Target, they're not gonna have anything new Transformers related, but you know, I'm still check it out, and hey, I don't know, maybe they'll surprise me. So let's head there now. Alright, so here we go, approaching the Transformer section, and yeah. Well, looks like they did actually get some new stuff here. They got some Kingdom stuff. They got Kingdom RC. They actually have one of the fossilizers here, Ractinite, and RC, and another RC back there. And looks like we also got some Core class stuff here. So we got Core class Starscream, Megatron. It looks like it's all Starscream and Megatron back there. I actually heard really great things about this Starscream. Buzzworthy B stuff over here. Not really interested in any of this stuff. And let's see, we got some of the retro figures here, Megatrons. Some Optimus is up here. Some dead Optimus is actually fallen leader. And let's see, Marvel section, nothing really over here. Looks like we got some of the new Marvel Legends here. The Shang-Chi Legend of the Ten Rings stuff. They got some of the Spider-Verse stuff here. And Frogman, that's interesting. Check this out, it's like a little mini Bumblebee here, it's kind of cute. Alright, let's go check out the collector spot next. Let's see what they got. Ooh, I know a friend that would be really interested in some of this Warhammer stuff. That's pretty cool, actually. They got some Witcher stuff, not really interested in any of this. Looks like they got a new Marvel Legends AI Tony Stark here, so that's cool. Gremlin stuff, Back to the Future. Let's see, more Back to the Future, Back to the Future. Sports All Maniac. I don't really know who this guy is. Let's see. King Kong down there. It's a ton of Pops, which I actually used to collect Pops, but I don't like so much now. So checking out the model kits, and oh my god, check this out. They have it, the entry grade Rx78-2 for $7. I am definitely getting this, and they also have a high grade Barbatos, but I already have that kit. And I also just unboxed the Master Grade recently. And then over here we got some of the Gundam Universe, the Burning Gundam, and the Tall Geese. I love the Burning Gundam, but I've heard this is pretty disappointing, so easy pass on that. So let's go. Looks like this is a successful hunt, and looks like I'm picking up one of those Warhammer figures for my buddies. So checking out the Star Wars section, looks like they don't have anything good, but if you look down here, they have some model kits. So they got a TIE Advanced Fighter and Boba Fett down there, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so check this place out. This is called Texas Toys, and it's like a local comic shop. They don't really have too much like Gundam and Transformer stuff here, but you know, if you want me to check it out at some point, I definitely will. So let me know in the comments below. Whew, wow, yeah, that was awesome. I actually scored. yeah, today has been a great day. I got out of a job interview, I got some new shoes, and they actually had what I was looking for. Oh my god. So let's quickly go through what I got. So first off, I actually did end up getting the Warhammer figure for my friend. I'm sure he'll be really happy about this. And this actually looks like a really cool figure. I've seen some videos on it, but yeah, I'm sure he'll be really happy to receive this. And I actually ended up getting 2 of these entry grade kits. The one's for me and the other's for my friend. He also wanted one of these kits, so yeah. And then of course I got the primer, so I am super happy right now. So let me get back home. I'll take a closer look at everything I got, and yeah, we'll wrap the video up there. So I'll see you guys at home. Excuse my language, but let's fucking go, guys. Oh my god, I am so happy. That adrenaline rush when you find exactly what you're looking for, when you're not expecting to find anything, is something else, let me tell you. So yeah, this was an extremely successful hunt here, and yeah, if you saw my previous hunts, they were mostly disappointing, but finally we struck gold, guys. So let's just quickly go over what I got again. So starting off, if you guys care about these shoes, here are the new shoes I got. As I said, these are the Saucony Guide 14s. And if you want to see a little bit comparison, here are my old Sauconys. These are the Guide ISO. I don't really know how old these ones are, but I've had these ones for a while. So here are the differences. It doesn't look like too much has really changed between these. Looks like they raised this part of the shoe a bit here. You can definitely see the difference there. And I mean, yeah, very similar shoes. Again, these are both from the same series. It's just this one's a bit newer, so they did change a bit of stuff with this shoe compared to this shoe. But I am very excited because, as I said, I absolutely love these Saucony shoes, and I'm excited to start running in these again. So yeah, but getting into the good stuff, let's start off with the primer. So it's just, you know, some regular old Krylon primer here. I do like this stuff. As I said, Krylon's not the best, but it's definitely serviceable, and it's definitely not bad at all. So, you know, if you can't find Tamiya or Mr. Color locally like I can, you know, Krylon is still definitely a good option to go with. And then let's get into the stuff I got from Target. So, starting off here, first off, I did pick up this Warhammer figure for my friend. He's really into Warhammer, and he was definitely interested in these, so I had to pick this one up for him. And these honestly look really cool. If he does allow me, I may review it. Again, I don't really know too much about Warhammer, so it'll just be more like a general action figure review. But I'm still very interested in these figures because I've heard some great things about these. And yeah, the Warhammer designs, whatever you call these guys, they just look awesome. So and this is the Blood Angels Hellblaster, I guess. I don't really know anything about it, but it looks badass for sure. So here's that. Here's the back side. And then, of course, I did end up picking up 2 of these kits. It was hilarious because I was actually just talking about how I was been wanting to build these kits, and then when I went to Target, they actually had them, so that was totally unexpected. I heard that they started to carry these at Target, but I never actually expected to find them at Target. They actually had multiple, so I picked one up for myself and then one for my friend. So you know, I think I'm going to switch camera views and I'll do a unboxing of this, and just for fun, because these is not going to take long at all. And as you can see, no tools, no paints, no stickers required. I might actually just build this on camera. Not in this video, but in a future video. So this will be a fun little video to make of me just snapping this together. I'm not even going to use tools. I think I might just use my hands just because they said I don't need tools. So you know what? Let's test that theory out. So anyways, let's switch views here and we'll do a quick little unboxing of this kit. Alright, so here we go. This is the brand new entry grade Rx78-2. And as I said, no tools, no paint, or no stickers required. So if you are new to Gunpla, this is definitely a great kit to start. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting into this. So here's a look at the side of the box. Not really too much going on here. And then taking a look at this side, looks like we get a rundown of all the runners here. And it looks like this is really well organized by, you know, sections. So you get the head section, the body, the arms, the waist, the legs, and the weapons down there. And yep, as you can see here, you don't need any tools. They just snap fit together there. And as you can see here in this little diagram, everything is in color. So I am really looking forward to seeing that. And for a $7 kit, this thing looks like it has some really good articulation. So, man, Bandai is really stepping up the game here with these entry grade kits. So, let us take off this little, whatever you call these, holding the boxes shut here. So there's one, and there is the other one here. So, get that out of the way, and let us crack open the box here. So here we go. Looks like, wow, yeah, this is already really colorful. So looks like we do get some joint parts here, the parts for the backpack, parts for the chest, more parts for the chest. You can see the vents are in yellow. That is awesome, as well as the front skirts here. Look at that, and yellow as well. Everything is in color, so this is awesome. There's red on the chest there. Looks like you get some red for the face. There's the little chin part. There's the red for the V-fin. On the other side, we get some more red for the feet. For the shield, there's a look at the gun down there. There's some more joint parts. And then, of course, we get the whites for the rest of the body parts. So we get the arms here, the waist, the shield. Looks like there's a back part of the head. There's the V-fin there. And then on this side, we get all the leg parts here. We get the ankle parts and some more feet part down there. And then we get into the instruction manual. So yeah, as you can see, they lay everything out extremely well here. It shows you exactly which parts you need from each runner. So for the head part, you're just going to need these parts here, and then these parts there. And then for the body, it just basically shows you exactly which parts you need from each runner for each section of the body. So once you build this kit once, I'm sure you won't even need the instruction manual. So anyways, let's quickly take a look at the instruction manuals, and we get a rundown of the parts, of course. So it looks like there's a total of 4 plates total, and it looks like these can actually, it's just one plate that's been cut in half there. Same with this one. And yeah, just going through the assembly guide, how to find the part. And it's saying you can just remove it with your hands there, so you don't even need any tools. And then how to just snap it all together. So here is a look at the construction for the head. Then we go to the body. Then opening this up, we get to the arms. Very simple construction, but this just looks so well engineered, especially with all the color separation. I am super impressed with this kit, especially for $7. This is absolutely amazing. So going through the legs and snapping it all together, it seems like this will be a very easy kit to build, hence the name entry grade. And finally, on the last page, we do get a bit of color here, showing that you can connect it to an action base, and then showing off the weapons. And yeah, so there is all the color separation for the shield, so no stickers required for that. So you get the yellow, the red, and the white. And then it goes through how you can store it on the backpack, and then how you can store it on the arm, of course. And yeah, oh my god. You guys don't understand. I am super hyped with everything going on here. The job interview, new shoes, and an accessible hunt. And I got a kit that I've been wanting to get for a while. So yeah, this is awesome, guys. Oh my god. So anyways, I definitely expect a build video for this coming soon. That should be really fun to do. And if my friend allows me, I will do a review on this guy as well. This is the McFarlane Warhammer figure here. This is a big boy, so yeah. Yeah, so anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And don't forget to subscribe, as well as turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And finally, don't forget to join the Discord. I'll have a link to that in the description below. And definitely be sure to follow me on Instagram. So anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.